दिल में बुग़ज़, पेट में हराम, तवाब पे तवाब, काबा खुद चक्कर में है कि ये लोग किस चक्कर में है। शाह बिकते हैं, फ़कीर बिकते हैं, यहाँ सगीर और कबीर बिकते हैं, कुछ सरेआम कुछ पसी दीवार, इस शहर में ज़मीर बिकते हैं। In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. खुदा के नाम से हर चीज़ का आगाज़ करता हूँ, खुदा के नाम से हर चीज़ का आगाज़ करता हूँ, उसी पे फ़ख्र करता, उसी पे नाज करता हूँ। Honorable Chief Guest, respected teachers, professors, judges and shining stars of the future, Assalamu alaikum. Today, I have been given an opportunity to talk over the topic on this Anti-Corruption Day, our faith, corruption-free Pakistan. Dear audience, corruption is the misuse of public power for personal benefits. Corruption is a poisonous disease which has been spread in our society, community and country. Corrupt people misuse public property, power, position and authority by fulfilling their own purposes by breaking the rules and laws of government. Ladies and gentlemen, today corruption is at a peak level in Pakistan. Police, politics, recruitments, businesses, central government, state government, in fact, corruption has not left any field in our country. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you. Our religion, Islam, prevents us from corruption. Our holy prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam once said, "Ar-rashi wal-murtashi kilahuma fin-nar," which means both the giver and the taker of bribe are in hellfire. So corruption is a sin. Hence, being a Muslim and being a human, it is our first priority to save ourselves and others from corruption. For this, we have to aware the people and spread the slogan, "Say no to corruption." An Urdu poet has this beautifully described this in his words. He says, "Dil mein bughz, पेट में हराम, तवाब पे तवाब." दिल में बुग़ज़, पेट में हराम, तवाब पे तवाब, काबा खुद चक्कर में है कि ये लोग किस चक्कर में है। The audience, the reasons behind corruption are illiteracy, poor economic infrastructure, unemployment, and lack of merit in our country. We are not fair and clear in our dealings and transactions, and almost every department of our country is facing the evil of corruption. So we can say that corruption is so much into the people's blood that anyone who gets a chance will be found to be corrupt. Ladies and gentlemen, corruption in Pakistan is predominant, dominating the administration and lower level staff. As the poet says, शाह बिकते हैं, फ़कीर बिकते हैं, यहाँ सगीर और कबीर बिकते हैं। शाह बिकते हैं, फ़कीर बिकते हैं, यहाँ सगीर और कबीर बिकते हैं, कुछ सरेआम कुछ पसी दीवार, इस शहर में ज़मीर बिकते हैं। Dear audience, it is said that time changes everything, but here it is. This corruptible act and the disappointing term hasn't changed for years. It is still prevalent. Now you all might be thinking that this happens only in the well-established and sophisticated cities, but no, that's not the point. That's not the case. It occurs throughout the country. Now just listen to me, guys. In order to oppose corruption, a strong awareness is needed about corruption and its effect on the society, nation, and government. We are all responsible for eradicating this evil from our society and our country. So, let's join hands together and take our part in removing corruption from our society and take this slogan on every mouth of our Pakistani, "Say no to corruption." In the end, I will like to sum up my speech on this hope that together we will make this country better.